Farland Classic Restoration around the shop, May 2020. Welcome back. We're having a look here at our master paint technician Mike as he finishes a fresh coat of paint for the target top on this 1985 Lamborghini Hopper. This rare Lambo has been with us for a bit as we did metal, bodywork, and paint on the nose, as well as extensive electrical work. We also did a very thoughtful refresh of the interior. Mechanically, we got the car up and running very smoothly. Nearby is our 1952 Hudson Hornet complete restoration project. Our master technician Ron is busy with reassembly. He will be sorting through hundreds and hundreds of parts, including freshly re-chromed bumpers and trim pieces. The two-tone paint is very striking on this mid-century classic. We also had the engine completely rebuilt by Hudson engine experts. Keep an eye on this project as it keeps moving forward. Next door, we're working on a 1973 Ferrari Daytona. We have been doing extensive metal work on this hand-built Italian classic. Here you can see the complex lines that we've meticulously recreated. We are only one of a handful of shops in the country that can do this level of metalwork. Back again next door, we're looking at this beautiful Florida Blue 911 Carrera T that's in for detail and ceramic coating. Our ceramic coating team creates a simply amazing finish on classics old and new. Finally, we're continuing work on this 1955 Chevrolet Corvette in its original colors of yellow and dark green. We also rebuilt the engine completely as part of our frame-off restoration on this American classic. That's it for this video. Remember, you can always subscribe by clicking here, visit our site by clicking here, watch another video here, and please give us a thumbs up down below. Have a project? Call the shop at 303-761-1245. Thanks, and see you next time.